Okay, ready? Got you something. Got you something for Christmas? Can't see. It's too dark. A dog bone, but you have to open it. Okay? You gotta get it. You gotta open it. You smell it in there? You gonna get it? Go get it. Open your open your present. Hurry up. Get it. Get it. You gotta open it. Get it. Oh, no. You gotta take the paper off. Where are you going? You have to open it. Come here. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. I'll help you. You get it yet?
She's got it.
Gotta pull all the paper off. He's chewing on it already. He's gonna... Let me see. Yeah. What's that?
Yay!
Are you happy?